These are my Pokemon planes and my Pokemon bus. So this is the Tomy AMA plane. Pretty cool. It's metal, it's pretty heavy, and it has little rolling landing gears that fold up. And it came with all the little, like the bus and luggage carrier, whatever those are. And here's the box that it came in. I'm not sure, it doesn't have a year printed on it, so I really don't know how old it is. It looks kind of old, but I really don't know. And this is my other plane. I'll show you the box first. This was the 1/500 scale. And it's also metal, so it's pretty heavy too. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, but it's a lot better detail. Like the other one is basically just stickers, and this is actual, yeah, it's on there. It's actually printed on there. So, and last, this little Pokemon bus. I'll show you the box first again. It's 1/145 scale. So it's pretty cute. You can see the little seats in there. It has a lot of detail to it. So yeah, just pretty cute little things. So that's my planes and bus. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.